Hello, my name is Shalea Shrunk, but I go by Shay. I am currently a senior in the Hospitality, Restaurant, and Tourism Management program with an emphasis in food and beverage as well as lodging. However, this summer I will be focusing more on events as I've taken up an internship with the People City Mission and will be focusing on their Starry Nights Festival. I also have a minor in leadership. ALEC courses are required, of course, but I'm hoping this will give me more information on leadership as well as being able to adjust my leadership style, and I'm hoping this will help me in my current management position. The most interesting thing I learned this week in the readings was Pentland's New Science of Building Great Teams. I like the aspect of building an outside or more social relationships for teams. That way they function better while at work, as well as changing break times to allow for more social interactions at work. The idea of making changes to the team or the policy to help increase the effectiveness was very interesting, as well as allowing individuals to bring outside contributions to the team as long as it wasn't harming in the group's functionality. I think just team building in general is a very interesting topic to me. I come from food and beverage background, working in kitchens, and you have to have a very strong team to be able to power through those really tough shifts. An organization I'm involved with is the ACF, or the American Culinary Federation. I graduated culinary school before transferring here to UNL, and you graduate as a certified culinarian. So that's what am, excuse me, and I'm active in the local chapter meetings, and we do a yearly fundraising event for the food bank here in town. So I'm involved with that, and here's a photo of just me in culinary school. This is actually fabrication, which we later used for that year's fundraiser event was Taste Around the World, so we used the knowledge that I had built in class to contribute to that fundraiser. Some interesting facts about me is that I have a very sensitive palate, which I think is very helpful for me going to culinary school. I'm able to smell and taste different foods or drinks and able to tell you most of the ingredients without any prior knowledge of what's already in the dish. This is something I've always kind of had, and it was very helpful in culinary school. We had you had to smell spices and guess what they were based on smell and look, so being able to train my palate a little bit more that way. And then I have a cat named Toby. He's my little black cat, and he's not as unlucky as most people say. I'm also the proud aunt of a 6-month-old. His name is Braylon Axton, and my sister's a single mom, so I help raise him, and I have him multiple times throughout the week. Let's see here. The bottom left picture is the photo of my cat at Christmas. In the middle is obviously Braylon, and then on the far right, that's a photo of me before a flambe competition in culinary school. We got all jazzed up in makeup and some costumes to perform our flambe. That was a really fun class. I think that's everything about me for the most part. I look forward to getting to know my fellow classmates going forward in this class. Thank you.